In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Brevo in just 5 minutes. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. Make sure it's one you're comfortable using, as you'll be navigating through a few steps. Once your browser is open, head over to Brevo's official website. It's always a good idea to ensure you're on the actual site to keep your credentials safe. Next up, you'll want to log into your Brevo account. Enter your login details, usually your email and password. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There are often options to retrieve or reset it. Once you're logged in, you're all set to start organizing your folders. Now, to create your new folder, begin by navigating to the Contacts section. Here, look for Lists. This is where you'll manage all your contact lists. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu for folders. Clicking on this will show you all existing folders and give you the option to create new ones. It's a handy feature to keep things organized. After that, if you're working with campaigns, head over to the Campaigns section. From there, you can choose either emails or templates, depending on what specifically you are organizing. Within these sections, you'll find an option labeled Folders at the top. This is where you can manage your emails or templates efficiently by categorizing them into folders. Another area where you can create folders is the Content Library. Go to this section and, just like before, click on Folders at the top. This section is often used for storing and organizing your digital assets, so having a well-structured folder system can really save you time down the line. Once you're in the right place to create a new folder, look for the folder drop-down again. You'll see an option to create a new folder. It might be labeled something like plus create a new folder. Click on it, and you'll see a new window or prompt appear. In this window, you'll be asked to enter a descriptive name for your new folder. This is an important step because a clear, descriptive name will help you identify the folder's contents at a glance in the future. Once you've entered a name you're happy with, go ahead and click the Create Folder button. And there you have it. Your new folder is all set up and ready to use. Creating folders is an excellent way to keep your content organized and easily accessible. Remember, a little organization can go a long way in improving your productivity and efficiency. I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating Brevo's folder system. Thanks for watching, and